This could be the car for you. The 2018 Honda Pilot. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give in to your craving for an SUV that's both rugged and refined. This Pilot is versatile, spacious, and designed for all-weather adventure, as well as comfortable cruising. With all-wheel drive and advanced safety technology, this is the family-friendly SUV you've been waiting for. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, electronic stability control. Enjoy the feeling of confidence you'll have on every road trip in this comfortable and capable Honda Pilot. Come in for a test drive today.